What if I told you that in just 10 minutes, with no equipment, you could burn fat, build muscle, and boost your energy, while others waste hours in the gym? Pause for impact. Here's the shocking truth. Most people spend more time scrolling their phones than working out, and that's why they never see results. Slight disdain. But today, that changes, because this 10-minute no-equipment workout is scientifically proven to fire up your metabolism, sculpt your body, and leave you feeling unstoppable. Build excitement. So if you're ready to transform your fitness in record time, stick around, because we're starting right now. Before we dive in, let's wake up those muscles. First up, jumping jacks. 30 seconds, go! Get that heart rate up. Keep going. This is where the magic starts. Next, arm circles. 30 seconds, forward and back. Loosen up those shoulders. Now bodyweight squats. 30 seconds, sink low. Drive up strong. If you're already sweating, good. If not, just wait.
Time for the real burn. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Let's go. Push UPS, chest to the floor, no cheating. Feel that chest engage. Halfway there, push through. Squat jumps, explode up like you're reaching for the ceiling. 10 more seconds, give me everything. Think that was tough? Round 2 is where champions are made. Don't quit on me now. You earned this cool down. Deep breaths, let's recover smart. Hamstring stretch, reach far, but keep it controlled. Look at you. In just 10 minutes, you moved, you sweat, you pushed past limits. That's how real change starts. But here's the hard truth. One workout won't change your life. Consistency will. So if you're serious about transforming your health, click the video on screen now. I'll show you how to build a healthy lifestyle that actually sticks. Smash the like button if you love this. Subscribe for more life-changing routines. And comment below what was the toughest move for you today. See you in the next one.